What's up, guys? We're playing Battle Network 2. Well, Jeremy's playing Battle Network 2.
What? You're gonna play too, you stupid bitch.
Whoa!
Ready? We're gonna continue, I'm just kidding.
Well, we're gonna continue in the fucking video for us.
Alright. Sir, research. Who's talking?
It's someone from Gospel.
Sir, research on final stage. Last.
What took so long?
No, you're not. You're supposed to be the fucking. It's the.
What took so long?
It's the fucking. You're gonna be the main villain. Gonna have you be. That's really your mission.
Isn't it Sean?
Yeah, Sean. I forgot his name.
Delays be punished.
Because we're talking on the walk.
Delays be punished.
Sir.
Just get things started, will you? We will rule the world just like the WWW.
Should we say triple W?
3W.
What is it called? What do they say in English?
World 3.
What's it called? Why don't we say World 3?
World
saying
3.
WWW is so
Yeah,
obnoxious.
sure.
I was doing that to myself when I was playing the game, and I was like, God, saying WWW is ridiculous.
They just said World 3 for some reason. Oh wait, that's mean. That last one was you.
Oh, wait, was it? I
Yeah.
thought...
No.
Fool, not like that World 3. Don't our quote.
I think that's you still.
Begin project.
Sir. ACDC school,
Oh,
Ven
we
City,
don't have
last
to-
day of the school year.
Alright, you can do that. I was gonna say, we don't have to do like the... Lan, you're on time today! Alright. If you got up early, you wouldn't have to run so much.
Thanks, Megaman. I feel so much better now.
Now, you haven't forgotten what the day is, right?
Not likely. It's the last day of school. Vacation time.
What the fuck? And report card time, too!
No problem there.
You sure? Hey, let's go make plans for vacation.
I thought you were gonna say, let's go make out.
We don't have to do that. We'll only do it for like cutscenes. So
Yeah,
we don't
yeah.
have to do it. Is this a cutscene?
No. Because you can move right after. Yeah, I used to talk to everyone here because I didn't know you didn't have to. You just talk right to Dex if you wanted to.
Still, you fucking midget.
Well.
So this is a new cutscene time.
Morning, Dex. Alright.
I don't know what to do for his day. Can you do his voice too? Make himself fat, because he is.
Hey, lad, let's get some net surfing after school, okay? I'll tell you about it later. Change is coming.
Bing bong, bing bong.
The wait time!
Good morning, class. Are you excited about vacation yet?
Whoa!
He's the only one who says it.
He's the special one.
He's so stupid.
Woo!
Do you all know what you're what you're going to do?
I'm going to my grandma's place for my vacation.
Oh God! Something little for me. Around the world cruise, baby. Well, it sounds like you all have wonderful plans.
All two
but
of you.
Don't forget about your homework. Yes, Miss Mark. Now the moment you have been waiting for, report cards. I had to do that one. It was too funny. Oh man. Okay, class. Have a nice vacation and be safe. Yes, Miss Martin. That's all she said. Yes, Miss Martin. Lan? Dex? Is there something wrong? Anything you want to share with me, Lan? Did someone say they needed to talk? It was him!
Boy without a nose 3.
Hey, here you are. Now we can talk. You hear about the new square on the net? I hear they're looking for city net battlers there. I don't know what a city net battler is, but it sounds cool. I invited Mail and Yai too. We can all go together, yeah? The meeting place is on the net at the square entrance.
Is that how you spell entrance?
Enterant. Yeah, I think it is.
Jack in and send Megaman online when you get home, okay?
Did you hear that, Lan?
No.
The square is like a city on the net for us net navies. You can shop and talk to other navies. It's a lot of fun.
Exposition!
I love that. Yeah, that was like Megaman. You know we knew about that since like the last part, right?
I'll do Arashi with an English accent. How's that sound?
Wait, which one?
Or Arashi, the dude that's standing outside Land's house.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
like,
yeah,
this isn't you.
This is AC/DC's town. Oh, you already knew?
You're supposed to sound sad. Oh, you already.
Oh, yeah, I'll do it again. This is AC/DC town. Oh, you already knew? Are you sure? Because he just did the question. Because it would be like, dog.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, you're not gonna talk to him?
Oh, you had to talk to him?
Hello there, I'm here from Den Gas. You had a problem with a gas appliance there or something? Huh? This isn't Miss Yai's house. We'll get right on it.
Okay. That's Mom. Wonder what she's cooking. My dick in her butt.
Oh, wow.
What up, lad? Oh, you want to do this one?
Welcome on, Lynn! How was school?
That was-
Fine, Mom.
That's nice. Now, what was I gonna ask you?
It's gonna make her blue or yellow with blue.
Homie. Lynn!
Oh God.
I know you got it, so let's see it.
Got what, Mom?
Don't you want me? Your REPORT space CIRD air dash. That's what.
I think she just says report card.
I know, but I need to make it dramatic. Darn, I was hoping you'd forgotten. Okay.
Well, now let's see. What? Land?
You're naked.
Uh-oh.
Don't you owe me, young man.
Lan, maybe you should apologize.
You're right, Mom. I'm sorry. Now, can I go play on the net?
Most certainly not. Homework first.
Oh. There we go.
She says it before she leaves. You heard the boss. Homework first. Oops. Use the R button to jack into the PC.
And not hit the microphone.
Yeah, right.
Jack in! Megaman, execute!
Yeah, I don't think you have to do it for every time. Because we're gonna do that. Well, only for the cutscene ones.
Okie dokie.
Unless you want to.
No,
your
it's
voice,
fine.
Your voice is gonna like rip apart because you can do it all the time. Lan, we're in the computer cyber world. Before we go out to play, I'll start the homework program.
Alright, you get to be the Snavy too.
Wonder if everybody wish me now? Well, I'll start today's homework program.
We'll begin by reviewing basic virus posting techniques.
Megaman, you okay?
Now then, it's time to review some virus busting.
No matter what you do, never forget the basics. I'll explain again how to beat viruses from the beginning.
I'm not gonna do all this.
Yeah, no. You
There's
can
too
just,
much.
Yeah.
I'm just too much, guys.
Just roll your thumb across A and B.
This is too much, like, not actual, like...
Just go like this. Across A and B, it'll
Oh,
go
yeah.
like, yeah.
We know how to play. She's just teaching us. We don't need to do this one.
By the way, you can hit the start button and it'll skip right to the OK button, by the way.
Okay.
Just because I know it's a little easier to do it that way on the game.
I play with the
controller.
D-pad, too.
Yeah. Oh, you play with the D-pad?
Because that's how I play with the other one, so I'm just used to that kind of feeling.
Oh god, these fucking backgrounds are kind of whack. I forgot.
Yeah. That's what the Metars sound like. Good job. Now for the next problem. Oh my god, is it different? Oh my god, no one fucking cares. Oh. Can I talk? No.
Miss Mars like,
So
Lan, please
annoying.
stop!
Oh my god.
Yeah.
She's so into this. It's so funny.
I'm down to just record this for the most part, honestly. This game's so much fun. Mash that shit. Yeah!
Oh, you don't want to do that thing I want to do? Okay.
Which MMO?
You remember the last story?
Oh yeah, no, I'm down for that.
No.
So I'll do last story.
No, we don't need to do anything.
You want to do Conquer? I'm stuck on Conquer, so I'm gonna give it a minute.
No, it's okay. You can do Conquer. It's fine. Guys, we're just gonna stop. Good job. Now for the last problem. I forgot the voice I even did for this character.
Oh, this is the ad function.
Feature. Shut the fuck up, Miss Mari. Oh my god.
Please let me talk.
She's like, oh man, I like you.
Lal. Lal BJ. Megaman. Oh, okay.
What?
Because he's saying he's gonna send you chip in, but he hit himself at. Okay. Ta-da! Probably all the cannons, right?
Yeah, the cannons, because everything else went like one shot. Boom. 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 See, guys, from Master of Megabuster, or whatever the fuck it is. You did extremely well, Lan, as usual. That's it for today. Come run the program again tomorrow. Wait, that's why he didn't want to do. He likes that battle anyway. It's so fucking. This kid's retarded.
Yeah, because I think he has to go through all that text, that's why.
Done. Finally. Hey, new mail.
Who's it from?
It's from Dex. He wants me at the square right away.
Whoops! I totally forgot.
I have trouble reading if you want to write pause. Then I'm off. If any viruses pop up, bust them good.
Sure you don't have dyslexia, Jim?
I don't think it's dyslexia. I think it's just like I have to process a word.
That's dyslexia.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, what's Mr. Prog say?
I don't want dyslexia.
Oh, Jesus!
Megaman looks so cool with his little mask on.
You know what he says in
This is
5?
the part where you say yeah.
Yeah, he does. In
Jesus,
5, depending
suck.
on your rank, Mega Man says something different.
What is
If you
it?
get like a 1 or 2, he goes, "Whew, that was a tough one."
Oh, I think I do remember that. There are places that you can't access freely. I don't fucking... Shut up.
Shut up, Purple.
Just sell me the sub-chips like you're supposed to. Yeah, this will be really good. Do we get sneak run in this one? I don't remember.
Wait, Sneak Run? No, because there's no program, custom. Sorry, Navicus. There's no Navicus.
Not like this is
Oh, Subchip, yeah. I think it's called Lock Enemy. No, there's Sneak Run.
Lock enemy.
Lock Enemy is,
Lock
yeah.
enemy is like...
If you want to do a
counter-
Navi, right?
No. It's just to counter the last enemy you fought.
Oh, I used
So
to do
it
that for
says-
Navis.
So I think it... Well, you can do it for Navis as well. But I think so... And this one's different. It's a chance of that same thing. So let's say you want to fight Matar. You'll definitely find one most likely.
Yeah, you just have to use
But-
Lock Enemy
but-
after,
well,
right?
No. Like let's say you use Lock Enemy. It'll be like,
What chip code do you want to go for? I think
Oh, I never- I
N's really good in this one.
I never go for anything straight up. I just kind of like mix and match. I like it. Usually I go G because Gate Man. Yeah.
The Gator combo. Later, Gator.
We're gonna be using.
I'll
it
be
'cause,
Mr. Famous. I got a great surfer
Yeah,
voice
sure.
for him.
We're not gonna get to him yet, though. So
Oh, it's not. It's gonna be a bit.
I'm delivering the mail. I don't. Yes.
If we get another 1,000 Zenny, we can talk to that guy. Get our first HP memory. I think.
This guy? He's a vendor, right?
Yeah, you can get HP.
Yeah.
We need 900. Yeah, I'm fine.
We're gonna need a good chunk. So I want to get them all, and I do want to do the post game too. But we'll probably do the grinding for chips post game off screen.
This series might be sporadic because school is about to start up again.
Yeah, that's fine. Nobody expects this to last forever. Last forever. I think that one's Yai's. What's this one? Dex?
May.
No, this is male. So that one's Yai. I think that one's Yai. That's male.
Dex's is the farthest one, I believe.
I think this is like closer to
Ooh, green. Oh, those are the official Navi looking motherfuckers, right?
Yeah.
My favorite part in this game is when, like, don't worry, we'll stop, and they blow up for one of Shadow Man's, like, minions, and that's it. They blow up just to kill one of them.
Yeah.
That was so funny. You going for the Guts Buster style?
No. I'm just shooting stuff. I don't really care for what style we get. Bug style is cool. It's cool looking. It's not. I don't really like using it because the whole like glitch effect that it has.
Yeah, you have to have it.
Yeah.
Frost
I,
Gun.
I think it looks cool. It's definitely one of the coolest ones.
Yeah, fuck it. Well, it looks like it's running fine, which is good.
Boom. Okay.
Power right in the kisser.
You're making good money too, man. It's
You got
good.
250, I think, right now. Oh, what's that one? Oh, bug frag, nice.
Noise. Alright, to the net.
Okay, you can do guts, man.
Let me think.
Make him.
Man.
Hurry up, Mega!
Roll, Gutsman! Be there in a sec! Oh man, that doesn't feel good. Alright, I got
Mega Man, finally! We were waiting forever, Lynn. Sorry, Dex. Sorry, Mal.
You're totally late. What were you doing? I jacked in as soon as I got home and waited.
Whoa! Sorry! Mom gonna hold me too quick.
Figures. You too, Mega!
Sorry, Roll.
Well, they sure are mad.
Hey, it's your fault for getting such bad grades, Lamb.
You guys, you can chat later. Let's get going. Gutsman, let's go ask about becoming a city net battlers.
What? That great.
That hurt my throat. I'm gonna develop his voice more.
Bro, let's go!
I'm too. I was like trying to process what he
Sure thing,
said.
Mel! Later, Mega!
I always thought Gutsman sounded like a southerner, like,
Yeehaw, let's go.
That's what he's supposed to do. I can't do a southern accent though.
Let's go in the square too, Mega Man.
I should have done
that
that.
was beautiful.
Let's go in the square too, Mega Man.
Okay, wait, so they want us in the square now?
Yeah.
it's
Square is
not-
top right, I think. Or, yeah, screwed up that one.
I keep going from the D-pad to like the
Analog
analog.
stick.
But I like the D-pad better.
Analog stick for movement in the hub world, and then D-pad for the battle.
I decided to take the C-Racing exam. Get around. Yeah!
Is that Tony from Spawn?
What are you doing?
Yeah, it isn't.
The Z license exam is the first step to be a city net battler.
Are you okay, man?
Will you take it?
C license? Okay.
The Z license exam will now begin. Surf the net without losing to a virus, and you pass. Okay, Hero Data and Hope Data are hidden on the net. Find them both and bring them here to get your Z license.
Let's go, Mega Man.
Right on.
What are we doing?
God, this game will definitely pick up once we actually get to fighting the World 3 or whoever the new guys are. No, what are they called?
World, Gospel. Gospel.
Gospel, yeah.
Named after Jesus.
Right now it's just like typical fetch quest.
I think the first date is in. Is there one in 3 or are they both in AC/DC 2 and 1?
I don't remember. But let's go check this area.
Let's check 3
This
out.
is
3. Den area 3.
yeah, it's called Den Area.
I think there's a hidden data, mystery data underneath the bridge, next in front of the tree.
Oh, we're supposed to read that text. Oops.
Bug frag.
Nice, dude. I remember that.
I only remembered it because most of the stuff is obscurely hidden. Oh, a flappy! Yeah, you better mash that shit. It's definitely easier to use than the one on the D-pad or the Game Boy in life.
I thought he moved faster if I wasn't like actually facing him. I thought he was gonna start hopping, so I didn't want to miss my cannon.
Great operating! That's what he says in the
do that.
in the DS version.
I didn't do that. Who the fuck?
Where's Hero Data? Where's the Home Data?
I don't honestly know what to do for his voice.
Let's add all of these
God.
together.
No, I'm gonna just take them down like this.
You took a damage hit!
He took a damage hit.
I can't charge. Is there no charging?
No, you have to power up, remember?
This game sucks. Why are you looking at me like
My favorite Balnor. No, I like 6 a lot.
Nah.
Dude, it feels like there's like a you have to wait to throw the next bomb. It's crazy.
Yeah, there's a bit of lag. I don't know if that's just the emulator or...
No, I think it's Balnor 2 because I remember up until Balnor 5 you had to wait. I think the hero date is in 1. Dead hero in 1.
I'm gonna start running. I don't want to keep fighting.
No, we can't escape.
Oh my god. No.
That's what you
I
get
can't
for
stand
acting
it.
a
Play this. No. Why?
No.
Damn, I was good. I was good. There's no way to avoid that. I sealed myself shut. I'll do it later.
3. Oh, 5. Wow, Cannon A.
Listen, dude. You might think you're so good at this game just because you played it.
No, I kind of suck at this game, actually.
I mean, I'm definitely not good with the GameCube controller, but we'll have to make do. Come on, how many battles do I have to have?
Mash that shit. You're a speedrunner now!
I've seen the speedrunners. They literally do that. They're just like, yeah! They're just like,
Wait, how many Zennies do we have?
Oh, not enough. Not close to enough. We'll save up quite a bit.
Oh, there it is. You did it!
Yeah!
Great exchange.
Yeah, right? What was that? White sword into the real lizard.
This game's a lot of fun. I just wish it built up faster.
I mean, it's always slow in the beginning, but then it starts to pick up.
Oh, we got D. We need a C, and then we can get Zeta Cannon.
What?
Yeah, yeah. Why did that one shoot faster?
I don't know. Did you actually say did you notice that?
Oh, it's because the cursors can't go at the same time, if I remember correctly.
That's weird.
Or, like, they're supposed to slow down in case there's one in every row.
Da 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 da.
Oh,
I didn't know where to go. I forgot.
you gotta go back to the square.
Yeah, no, I know I got it now. I forgot for a second. Da da da.
Great operating! Do you like Shockwave? Because I think Shockwave's a pretty decent ship.
Nah, I don't like it.
Not much.
I like
Not a fan?
I like the fast ones like
The Dynamite, yeah, whatever the Dynamo one is. Dynawave?
Dynawave is what it's called in 3. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing.
What's the second version called again?
I think it's Sonic.
Sonic Wave? Sonic Wave.
It's just Sonic Wave.
Probably after we drop off the stuff for the Z-Line since it's a long episode. We're running at 23 minutes right now.
Oh, sounds good. Take that.
Is it a battle or you don't have to battle first, right? That's not until you go for your next license, right?
I think we do go for another. We go for battle. I think it's like a 2-part or 3-part exam.
You see Gus make a look.
Yeah, because this is the first part, just collecting the data, and then you.
You go back for your
Yeah.
A license, right? Or B license.
Yeah. Oh my god. This one again.
Would you consider this one of your top 10 favorite Game Boy Advance games?
Probably, because I can't think of anything besides Pokemon that I like.
What about Bionicle or Star Adventures?
Oh, no. The game was there, but it's not like I liked it that much. I could live without it. Could you live without it?
No. I never even played it. I like his little running sprite from the side. It's so funny. Like when you're running diagonally.
Oh, diagonal.
Yeah.
You mean like this?
No, like when he's going up right. Yeah. It looks so funny compared to like the rest. I think the straight up one too looks kind of funny.
Wait, what do you mean? Like this one? Or what do you mean straight up?
So, yeah, that one looks kind of funny
But
too.
that was the one I was literally doing.
I was talking about diagonally, so that one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one and then a little bit up higher. Yeah, there you go. That one.
This is just directly like facing whatever direction.
Oh, I thought that was diagonal.
Well, it's like diagonal, but like I mean, this technically it's like 1, 2, 6, 8 parts.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 12, I think. Wait.
Yeah. 1,
2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8-way run! Like in Soul Calibur.
Oh.
You found them. Impressive. Well then, here's your Z license as promised. The center will contact you about the license test. Do well on that, and you'll get a full license. Oh, and for a
You get a new
limited
shirt.
time,
I think you
we're
get-
giving out presents.
And a second folder, right?
Here's yours. Let me install it on your pet for you. Oh my god. You'll find the chip selection system very useful. If you have any questions, ask the girl next to me.
You're a girl!
That's all. Best luck and happy busting.
That hurt my throat. And my atom back.
Lan, you got mail!
Okay, thanks.
Hi, Lan. Heard you got a Z license. We don't have to read this one anyways. It's just a note. Hey, here's my computer's passcode. Come with me. Nice.
Ooh. Is that like Netflix and chill?
We didn't know. We got
We got the head. We got the. Okay, bye.
Where we're heading back. Home.
Home, yeah.
Okay.
You can just jack out, right? Actually, wait. We could get some Zenny to get the first HP memory.
No, I guess so.
Or do you want to end it here and then we'll just do some virus busting for a bit and then start it up after jack out?
Yeah. You know,
Alright.
yeah. We'll send it
We're gonna do some grinding. We're gonna get some Zenny.